So you'd rather hike than base jump?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's a risk of dying on base jumping.
If you base jump, you won't die, but if you hike, you'll die. You'll die from a bear.
Yeah.
We've always been drawn to water, either for its beauty or to play in it. Have you ever wondered which is more important to you? Well, today we're doing Johnston Canyon. It is very beautiful. It's going to be busy again.
I know, and I always say every hike we're not going to go on a weekend, but we have to because we work during the week, so I don't have a choice.
That's right.
But there's buses and buses of people coming here, so it's absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
Oh well, we tried to get up early. That didn't happen. I love my sleep.
We're here pretty early. It's not even 10 yet.
That's not early.
That's not early. Well, we're going to go into this cave here to see the waterfall. Wow, we got this whole place to ourselves. That's awesome. You know, this is a pretty serious hike when you see.
We are so lucky to have this in our backyards. People fly from all over the world to go on this trail and see these beautiful waterfalls and nature and hikes.
You don't want to hike today? Complaining? Bye-bye. What do you think that is, Jaden? Looks like gold.
Yeah.
You think we're going to be rich? Well, I guess we're supposed to just hike now. We're not allowed to video anymore. I guess we need to get some exercise in because we're getting a little chubby. It's hard to argue with this beauty. It's time for us to go do a little kayak on Barrier Lake here. It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, how was the kayak bringing it down? Jaden's stronger than you.
I can't carry it. I just stopped like 6 or 7 times. And I lift weights. I don't know. I guess I'm pretty weak.
You lift the wrong weights. Oh, this is amazing. I think I'm just gonna fall asleep out here and let Maya do all the paddling. That's why we have kids, so they can do all the work. Okay, it's a race. We're catching up. Look at them, they got some good form there though. My lead boater's kind of out of timing with me. Here we go. Let's get them. Oh, 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 oh. My family is having difficulty pulling this up. It's been about an hour and a half now trying to get it up this hill. But I think they've done it. All right, you guys have done it. Okay, that was so fun. We're going to do 12 Falls hike. It's a short little hike in Kananaskis country in Alberta, and the waterfall is pretty nice.
I think it's only 5.6K, so it's a good kid hike.
I don't even think it's that long.
It's really busy too, like all of our hikes lately.
What is this? This is easy.
This is hike.
I just got goosebumps. Whoa, that waterfall was spectacular.
Oh, we're getting ready today to go on a whitewater rafting trip. We're going down Kananaskis River. There's a couple of drops. I think the kids are a little bit nervous but excited.
Well, I haven't been whitewater rafting in years, so this is going to be interesting. Last time I did it was Jasper, and I think I was in my 20s, so yeah, I'm not going to tell you my age right now, so it's been a few years.
Welcome everyone to Siine Rafting.
Getting all dressed up and ready. Take a look. It's hot today though. It's like 29, 30 degrees Celsius. And I like that cold water on me, I think.
The best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
So you got in trouble, eh?
We're doing awesome.
I got in trouble.
All right.
For not paddling.
I picked you guys because you look like the dream team. I thought we'll save the best till last, yeah? This is where the Canadian Olympic team, a lot of those guys train for kayak slalom.
Wow.
On this river right here. Northern. Duck and dive, bob and weave.
Best of me. They want the best of me.
Is this better than the helicopter? Do you like the helicopter better?
No, this.
Do you like the rafting better? Why?
I like this better. Wow, that was so much fun. I can't choose, can you?
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kids.
Went rafting today with Chinook Rafting Company and it was so good. It was great doing it with the family. I was so excited again to do the rapids and the drops. Out in Kananaskis in Alberta, mountains everywhere. I really loved it.
You got soaking wet. It was so fun. Then you get water in your face.
Yeah? Were you scared at all when we went over the drops?
Kind of. A little bit. I was nervous.
Were you nervous at the
And
beginning?
then the first one we went surfing. It was really fun.
So what'd you like about today?
And the hike and the waterfalls and kayaking.
All right.
Right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do.